Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at Cadillac. We're doing a fitment for the new 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, the electric version of the Escalade. In this bracket we're doing is different than the normal Escalade, so make sure if you're looking to get this bracket for your car that you buy the IQ, the Cadillac Escalade IQ, for if you have the electric one, because it is going to be different than the regular one. So it's going to be in the lower center mount, and it is a no drill, so there are fasteners there. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the fitment, and I'll turn it over to Mike.
All right, thanks, Steve. So, like Steve said, this is a no drill. Tools we'll be using today is going to be a T15 Torx and then a 7mm socket and ratchet. So fasteners are two 7/16 spacers and then 4.2 by 35mm screws. So first thing we're going to do is remove the factory screws. There's two recessed in the front, and like I said, they are a T15 Torx. We're going to take these out, but we will not be reusing them. So you can take them out and set them off to the side. There's one. There's number two. And again, we will not be reusing them. So now we're going to take our base plate, and we're going to be using our 35mm in length. It's a 4.2 by 35. It's going to go through the base plate, and then the spacer is going to go on top. That's basically filling that void up there. So we're going to go ahead and start, and this is also really important. You're going to start one side and then the other before you start tightening. If you don't, if you try to just tighten this one side, they're into J-clips, you could really make it hard to line. So again, screw through the base plate, spacer on top, start this side, and once you got them both fingers tight, then you can grab your 7mm socket and start running them in. I like to tighten up each side a little bit, kind of walk it in, if you will. There you go. And then this is a pretty straightforward installation, shouldn't take you very long at all. And like I said, these should tighten up pretty good. You're going into a metal J-clip, so you can snug those up pretty good. As you can see, that's nice and solid. So then you're going to take your front, you're going to start it in, get it past the pull pin and slide it. So click right there, you're locked in place, and there you go, and you're all done.
And make sure from time to time you lubricate your pull pin for maintenance there. And if you should take this through an automatic car wash, make sure you remove your front there with your license plate on it, because it won't get damaged. And again, this Cadillac Escalade IQ, this bracket is different than the standard Escalade. So they're not going to be, if you order the standard one for the IQ, the electric one, it will not work. So make sure you order the correct bracket, and your license plate goes on the front there, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.